Do you want your own private server for free? In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can create your own free virtual private server from scratch. Make sure you don't skip any part because every step matters. So let's dive in and get started. We'll be setting up our VPS on Azure. So first log in to your Microsoft account using your mail. Now let's go to Azure. First, search here and click on Azure for students. Azure gives free service for students, so it's best if you have a college or student mail. But we don't, no problem. You can still sign in using your Microsoft account, Gmail, or any other email. Let's start here. I need to open the login page. Since I'm already logged in my Microsoft account, it takes me directly to the next page. But for you, it will show you the login screen. So just sign in using your Microsoft account. This is the main page where you'll need to enter your student details. Fill in your name and other required information. Then add your college email and verify it. After a successful login, you'll be redirected to the main page. As a student, you'll get 12 months for free services. After that, you'll need to pay if you want to continue. Here you can see different free services, but we'll be setting up a Linux virtual machine, so click on Linux virtual machine and create. Now just follow my step to create your virtual machine. Fill all the details here. Let's choose our virtual machine name. Next to the region close to your location. For me, India works best. You can choose your near location. Give the image information you want to install. So I will be choosing Ubuntu. For SSH, I'll use a password for now. So select the password option. We'll set up SSH key later. Now create your username and password. This is what you will use to log into your server. Leave the rest of the settings as they are and move to the next step. Finally, review the virtual machine settings here. Make sure everything looks correct and then continue. The virtual machine is now being created. Great, deployment is complete. Congratulations. We have successfully set up your virtual machine. You can see all the details right here on the dashboard. It's very easy to explore and user friendly. If you go to this page, you can see all the details here. Here we have our public IP, username and other information. Now let's log in using SSH. Open your terminal and use the command. But before that, so to connect to the VM, click on connect. All the information you'll need is right here. Now it's time to log in. Let's first verify our IP and other details. Let's try logging in. Let's log in again. Okay, it looks like we are using the wrong password IP here. So no worries, let's double check an IP and log in again. So that's it, login successful. We are now connected to our server via SSH. And that's it for today. We have successfully set up our free Ubuntu VPS and log in via SSH. Now you have your own private server ready to explore. In this next video, I'll show you how to secure your server and set up your first website step by step. You don't want to miss it. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming video. So see you in the next one.